Hello everyone. Today we will discuss 5-1 resolution in natural minor scale. So before you move on, please check out the video Natural Minor Scale Tone Tendency. Nevertheless, I'm gonna do a very quick recap here. So we have an A natural minor scale here. So remember these four tones B, D, E, G, and let's ignore F here. So these four that are circled in red are the tension tones in the scale. And by that I mean, for example, let's take a listen to the A natural minor scale. For example, the B once to resolve down to the A. Alright. D resolves down to C. E, you can stay. You can resolve down to A. Or you can resolve up to A. That's still fine. G, that's a flat 7 degree, right? And you resolve that up a whole step to A. And very importantly, the G, the flat 7 here, has a weak resolution up to the A. So is the D here. It has a weak resolution to C. Because of the simple fact that D to C is actually a whole step instead of a half step. If it were a half step, the resolution would have been much stronger. That's a half step resolution, much stronger. Half steps are always much stronger. Simply because that they're closer. And the same here, if you were to, play a major 7th degree here, the resolution up to A would have been a much stronger. But again, let's come back to the natural minor. You have flat 7 instead, and you have the 4th to flat 3. Alright. So what if we take out all these tones and put them together and stack them in thirds? They just so happen to be an E minor 7 chord. Okay, root, flat 3, 5th, flat 7 of chord. Okay. And if we point out the scale tone tendency here, point out all the resolution points, we have E resolving down to A. We have E staying as E. G resolving up to A, that's a weak resolution. B resolving down to A, that's weak. D resolving down to C, that's weak. So as a whole, it's actually a weak resolution. Alright, so again, flat 7 to A is weak. D to C is a weak resolution as well. So as a whole, 5 minor 7 to 1 minor, which happens in natural minor scale, is a very weak resolution. Let's take a listen to that. All right, so we have an E minor. That's an E minor 7 chord, and if you resolve that to A minor, that would be something like that. So let me do that one more time. All right. So you see the resolution here isn't very strong when you take a listen to the E minor 7. The resolution is weak. If I change one note, changing the G to G sharp, which is actually a harmonic minor, and we will talk about that in a later video very soon, the resolution would become much stronger. Alright, so but again, E minor to A minor, that's our resolution here. Alright, so to recap, D to C is a weak resolution, G to A is a weak resolution. So as a whole, 5 minor 7 to 1 minor is actually also a weak resolution. In the next video, we are going to talk about some exercises as well. So, and stylistically, this kind of chord progression would mostly be used in pop or rock music. So you seldom see such progression in classical music. Okay. So I would see you in the next video where we'll work out a few exercises.